Good morning, boys. Hi there. Not doing much right now. Just being.
They're looking at each other.
Bruno. Oh my gosh, what's in your mind? Gas bubbles?